कैट नोटिफिकेशन आ चुका है और आज से फॉर्म फिलिंग भी शुरू हो गई है। आप हैं अगस्त में और अब लगभग 120 दिन रह गए हैं, 4 महीने रह गए हैं कैट में। आप चाहे कोई भी हो, वेदर यू बीन स्टडिंग फॉर कैट ऑलरेडी और नाउ यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट, ओके आई हैव 4 months, कैन आई क्रैक कैट, हाउ टू क्रैक कैट इन 4 months, then this video is for you, because in this video I'll be taking you through a month by month, a blow by blow breakdown of probably what you could do or what you should do for you to prepare well for CAT. If you don't know me yet, I am Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Career Launcher. I am the founder of Creatum, and I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. The point is very simple. Every year in August, when the CAT notification comes out, there are a lot of students who wake up to the fact that कि अरे CAT दे देते हैं इस बार. So अगर ये सवाल है कि क्या अगस्त से पढ़ाई शुरू करके आप CAT दे सकते हैं और CAT क्रैक कर सकते हैं अच्छी परसेंटाइल के साथ, the answer is yes, and probably August is the last month in which I am going to say this, that the answer is yes, after which I'll be saying कि depend करता है and a lot of things. The point which I'm trying to make is that, my dear friends, as long as you are taking care of certain essentials, which is what I'll be starting off this video with, you will be good. My dear friends, this is going to be the only video you need to define your strategy, your preparation plan, your study plan for CAT. This is that. Now let me start off with what are the essentials which you need to ensure for your CAT preparations from right now. If you're already preparing, please calibrate your strategy with this. This is important. Now the first thing is, देखो 5 points हैं मेरे पास, बहुत important है. But first point is that let's take a quick snapshot of what the syllabus is CAT का. देखो simple सी है चीज. In quant you have these 5 areas: arithmetic, algebra, number systems, geometry, modern math. We'll talk about what to do when and all of those things when we go to the month by month. Then in DILR predominantly, and I use this in a lot of my videos already, that DILR में people think that कि कोई fixed syllabus नहीं है, but if you were to still give it a structure in your head, you can safely say that okay, there are these 10 kinds of sets which come in DILR. This will give you at least a level of satisfaction that okay, I know broadly what all things I have to do, ताकि मैं हर किस्म का 5-5 सेट 10-10 सेट करके जाऊं. And when it comes to VARC, then we know that it is reading comprehensions, para jumbles, para summary, para completion, odd sentence, predominantly ये होता है. Then certain more things which you need to do, non-negotiables, and a lot of students who are already preparing, they miss this. You also need to keep in mind squares from 1 to 50, cubes from 1 to 30, fractions from 1 to 30. You should know 1 by 9 is equal to how much. All of those things are extremely important because these will make your calculations faster. These will not help you so much maybe in quant, but will help you so much more in DILR. Apart from this, there are so many formulas which you need to keep in your mind. If you want me to make a video on some detailed important formulas for QA and DILR, hello, this is important. If you want me to make a video on that, let me know in the comments, okay? And also do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Moving on from there, the second point, which is an essential, is this thing that, my dear friends, you have to take mock from today. Today means today. If you have not started yet, this is primarily for you. If you have not started yet, or if you're starting your prep right now, you have to take your mocks from today. Why? There's this fitness and wellness analogy that I always give. If suppose I was a gym trainer, okay, or wait, if suppose I was to go to a gym trainer and if I was to say to him that, you know what, I want to reach the healthy weight of 75 kgs, can I do that in the next 4 months or not? If that is my question statement, क्या मैं 75 kgs तक 4 महीने में पहुंच सकता हूं कि नहीं? जैसे आप मुझसे पूछते हो कि क्या मैं 4 महीने में 99 percentile ला सकता हूं, the first thing which the gym trainer will ask me to do is that please go and check your current weight. Because if your weight is probably 120 kgs, say suppose, then no sir, in 4 months I cannot take you to a 75 kgs. However, if your weight is say around 90 kgs, yes, we can try to bring you to a 75 zone, somewhere there. The point is, my dear friends, in any situation, not only it is important what your goal is, but it is also important where you are right now. Basis that, even if I was 120 kgs, say suppose, and if I have to reach a weight of say 75 kgs and suppose if I have to do it, then my trainer will help me plan it accordingly कि अच्छा तो मैं अगर करना ही है, तुम्हारी मतलब बिल्कुल ही ऐसी है कि yes you have to do it and all of those things, then here is the thing, मगर इसके लिए you have to be here in the gym for 6 hours, you have to eat this, you have to do this. Then he would give them that kind of things. Therefore, my dear friends, a lot of students who book one-to-one calls with me, I do this thing. I tell them that please come to that call once you've taken a mock, or if you've already taken mocks, अगर आप mocks ले रहे हैं और number नहीं आ रहे हैं, if you want to talk to me because then I'll be able to help you understand that okay, what you need to do to reach from here to there. That is the idea. The third thing, my dear friends, what it takes to get a dream B school and a dream percentile, I can say this from experience, is that, my dear friends, you have to be damn good in at least one section. At least one section needs to be a damn good section for you, and that you can know only once you've taken 2-3 mocks कि हाँ consistently मेरे इस section में as compared to the other section ज़्यादा number आ रहे हैं. You will at least know that हाँ यार this section is somewhere that I am more sure about and all of those things. The point which I am trying to make is that you need to make one section a damn good section so that eventually in your mocks, at least in that section, you're getting a 95 percentile plus in that, in those mocks, in that section consistently. What is one damn good section? A damn good section is one in which in the mocks, usually आप उस section में 95 percentile plus लेके आते हैं. For me, it was VARC. I used to get a 98, even 99 percentile in mocks when I was a student some 6 years, 7 years back. My dear friends, the point which I'm trying to make is that you cannot get your dream percentile, your 99s or your 98s until and unless you have one damn good section. That is why now you know that the essential strategy, अब तुम्हें mindset समझ में आ रहा है कि अच्छा मुझे पढ़ना जो है उसका end objective ये है कि एक section को तो पकड़ के मुझे आज से उसको अपना damn good section बनाना है. In the comments, let me know which section of yours is going to be the damn good section for you and how much are you scoring in it, so that probably then I can help you moving on from there. Then there needs to be another section which you need to build which gives you at least 80 to 85 percentile consistently in mocks. Once you have these two sections in place, weakness you can take care of because weakness आपके scores को नीचे खींच रही होगी. That's that. Then the fourth thing is that ensure that not any one section is actually getting neglected. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आपको quant से कुछ issue हो रहा है, like for example me, you'd be surprised. I was an engineer who was scared of quant. So now you know what kind of an engineer I was actually. Now, given that fact, I could not have done what I did if I would have said यार quant नहीं होगी. भाई sectional तुम्हारे clear ही नहीं होंगे, क्या कर लोगे तुम VRC में अच्छे score लाके percentile लाके you will never get anywhere even if your overall percentile is great but your sectional is bad. This happens with so many students every year that they've called from good B schools जहाँ पे sectional नहीं होते but अच्छे B schools से like the IMs and all, they have no calls because overall अच्छी आई थी उनकी, the overall percentile was good but they could not do well in a section of their weakness. Which means what? Which means that then you need to ensure that you are completing a checklist. Hello, this is very important. By the end of this month or by the end of September mid, you need to check whether you are fulfilling this daily checklist or not, or weekly or not. In QA, my dear friends, my question is, have you completed 50 L1 questions of all topics? All topics मतलब arithmetic में जितने भी 4-5 और topics होते हैं, सब topics, उसमें भी 50 L1 questions overall करे हैं या नहीं करे हैं. Then क्या आपने especially arithmetic and algebra and numbers के L2 के 50 questions each करे हैं या नहीं करे हैं? This is a basic checklist. Without fulfilling this, please do not walk into your CAT. I'm not saying don't take mocks. A lot of students, they interpret it incorrectly कि अरे जब तक 50 क्वेश्चन अरिथमेटिक के, 50 क्वेश्चन अलजेब्रा के, 50 क्वेश्चन इसके, 50 क्वेश्चन मॉडर्न मैथ के नहीं करूंगा तब तक मॉक तो लिखना नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज अभी तक मेरा कोर्स फिनिश नहीं हुआ है ना. नहीं, दिस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इज दैट नाउ आई हैव गिवन यू अ चेकलिस्ट माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर ओन सेटिस्फैक्शन कि भाई मेरा ये पढ़ाई लिखाई का एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव ये है कि इन टर्म्स ऑफ हाउ डू आई असेस वेदर माय इनपुट्स आर करेक्ट और नॉट. यू कैन असेस इट बाय दिस चेकलिस्ट कि क्या मैं L1 के 50 क्वेश्चन सब सेक्शन के, इवन मॉडर्न मैथ के, क्या मैं एटलीस्ट एग्जाम से पहले 50 L1 के क्वेश्चन करके जा रहा हूं या फिर नहीं. क्योंकि मुझे है मालूम कि ठीक है मॉडर्न मैथ के इतने सवाल नहीं आएंगे, मगर कहीं ऐसा ना हो जाए कि मॉडर्न मैथ का कोई बहुत बेसिक सा सवाल हो जो कि जस्ट बिकॉज कि अरे मॉडर्न मैथ कहाँ आता है एग्जाम में, मैंने इसलिए छोड़ दिया और मैंने शायद वो इजीएस्ट क्वेश्चन भी सॉल्व नहीं करा जिससे मुझे एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स मिल सकते थे, मेरी परसेंटाइल ग्रो हो सकती थी। तो ऐसी सिचुएशन नहीं होनी चाहिए। दैट मीन्स दैट फॉर ऑल सेक्शन फॉर द कंप्लीट syllabus of quant at least L1 questions are completed. Moving on from there, for DILR you need to ensure that have you done at least 10 sets per the kind of sets which I had showed. So I have shown you here that in DILR you have these 10 kinds of sets. My dear, my question to you is before CAT can you at least say that yes मैंने हर 10 टाइप के जो हैं उनके मैंने 10 सेट सॉल्व कर लिए, मतलब मैंने ओवरऑल कम से कम 100 DILR के सेट्स तो सॉल्व करके जा रहा हूं। My dear friends, this is what I am saying as the bare minimum for CAT. You can exceed this. You have to exceed this rather. But इससे कम करके मत जाना. Then your input is not sufficient for CAT is what I'm trying to say to you. And by these things, I'm trying to give you a sense of satisfaction that okay, now at least I know what are the inputs which I have to give. And when I'll come to these months and all, then you will know कि कब क्या वो भी अभी यहाँ पे होगा. In VARC, one thing you have to ensure: are you practicing RCs daily? Also, are you watching Jijo's videos on his YouTube channel? Are you watching it? If you're having a problem in VARC, even if you're not having a problem, but if you want to improve your scores in it, are you watching him explain how to do RCs, how to do PJs, how to do all of these things? He's really good at VARC and you know it. Watch him, that is good. Also, have you completed some of the previous year CAT questions or not? This is a bare minimum checklist requirement. You have to tick this. Are you studying for at least 3 hours per day or not? My dear friends, you can take a screenshot of this because this is important. I prepared this checklist format for you only so that a lot of students, they ask me that, sir, but at what point do I feel that yes, I'm prepared for CAT? I am saying, I am sticking my neck out for you and I'm saying if you complete this checklist for you, if you complete this one, you should feel satisfied that yes, I have given sufficient amount of input for me to get a good percentile in CAT. This is that. Now that you know all of these things, there is one fifth essential which you need to know, which is, my dear friends, that you need to be active in a community because you need support. You have two options for this. I have a free group called MBA Career Freedom. You can find the link of which in the description and you can join that. There students ask me queries, I reply to them in voice notes. Or if you want to speak to me one-on-one on your strategy, then you can connect with me on my TopMate link, the link of which you will find in the description. The point which I'm trying to make is that if you're feeling stuck, take support either from the community of students or from somebody who can help you out. It could be anybody, it could also be me. The point is, do not get stuck. You don't have time to get stuck. You do not have time. There are students who are spending their time, effort and everything to make good strategies and then to execute it and then to come back to me and to share with me that okay, I have executed this strategy up until here and here is the final outcome for this. My dear friends, सिर्फ ये strategy video को देखने से भी कुछ नहीं होगा. What I would advise you is that bookmark this video, like the video first of all, subscribe to the channel and bookmark this video. Why? I want you to come back in 1 week and watch this video again and in the comments let me know whether you followed this or not. Also, if you want to speak to me, then you can speak to me as well. Now my dear friends, having shared with you कि essentials क्या है कि ये तो करना ही करना है, तुम्हें इसके बिना तो जाना नहीं है. Now let me talk about what you need to do month by month. And if you have seen, then I have given a particular theme to a month because that is the kind of clarity you need to have कि इस महीने मुझे ये खत्म करके निकालना है. Probably you might even want to divide your month in smaller chunks. It should not even be कि अच्छा अगस्त में full अगस्त में नहीं. If you are sitting at home, suppose you are reappearing for CAT, and if you are at home, if this is a drop year for you and you have more than 6 hours available at your hand, please do not go by month themes. No, you should be operating in week by week themes कि इस week ये, इस week ये, इस week ये. If you are somebody who wants that kind of feedback from me, book a call. It's important so that at least you know what you are executing. That is extremely important. Now, my dear friends, let's talk about August, this month which we are in right now when you're watching this. My dear friends, if you're starting off your CAT prep, it is very simple and straightforward. Your strategy has to be to quickly learn concepts and get done with it as fast as you can, which means what all the things which you have to do in QA. Out of the 5 subjects or the 5 areas which we had, you need to ensure that in August itself you're winding up your arithmetic and algebra, nothing else. Why? Because these two topics constitutes the majority of the quant paper in CAT. मैं एक बार दोहरा देता हूं, ज्यादातर CAT के सवाल क्वांट में अरिथमेटिक और अलजेब्रा के आएंगे, ये आपको मालूम है, नहीं भी था तो अब हो गया है, which means that these are your priority areas. Please tackle them and get done with them in August itself. In DILR, my dear friends, you have to focus on all the things. In VRC, all the things. What are all the things? The ones which I had specified here in the syllabus part of it here, which means that this needs to be the what of what you need to study. Now, how do you practice all of these things? Your daily schedule has to look something like this. Weekdays. Now, here is something. I would not give you, देखो मैंने बहुत सारी videos I've seen on strategy and all, and one of the biggest problem is that they give you a day by day Excel planner कि यार ये इस दिन ये, while that is good, that should help a lot of you, that does not work. A lot of students when they speak to me in my one-on-one interaction, they say to me कि सर मैंने वो वीडियो देख के वो वाले इंस्टीट्यूट का या फिर उनका वीडियो देख के उनका जो वो था वो करा फॉलो, बट सर 2 दिन मैंने नहीं कर पाया तो मेरा प्लान सारा हो गया स्पॉइल. It should not be like that. It should be fluid enough that you can make changes, which is what I have been able to do. Now, I am giving you 2 चीजें. आपके पास 2 हैं options as per who you are and what your circumstances. If you have more than 4 hours in a day, जो कि तब ही हो सकता है अगर आप, if your job is a bit smooth and chilled and all of those things, or if you give that extra effort to create more hours for yourself, then my dear friends, you have to study all 3 sections a day. But if you have less than 4 hours in a day, then I have a different strategy. A lot of others they say that नहीं, every day you need to do सब 3 sections. ऐसा नहीं होता. अगर आपके पास समय कम है, then you have to be smart. How will you be smart? Then each day you will be studying your weakest section for sure. Along with that, एक दिन कोई section and एक दिन कोई और section. So say suppose if my weakest was QA, every day then I am doing QA. One day I am doing QA plus VARC. One day I am doing QA plus DILR and then repeat. As simple as that. तो अब ये सबके लिए फिट बैठ गया है. जिसके पास समय है सब करो हर दिन. तुम्हारे पास 4 घंटे 5 घंटे 6 घंटे हैं, हर चीजें कर सकते हो. अब क्वांट में क्या करना है? This we are speaking about August as of right now, and you need to watch this video up till the end because that is important. It will give you clarity. In QA, I'm saying take 2 hours for QA. Make a target of solving 20 questions. If you see, if I'm saying 20 questions, I am saying approximately you will be spending some 7 minutes per question, which is a lot. So it is not even that I've shared with you a very impractical सा कि 2 घंटे में करो. नहीं. If you're starting off, I am assuming you will spend 5 minutes, 7 minutes, और ये मैंने 7 इसलिए भी कर लिया कि सपोज करो if you are saying that नहीं सर बट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने से पहले तो YouTube पे जाके I will need to study ना कि मतलब ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है. मैं कहता हूँ ठीक है, कॉन्सेप्ट के बीच में you can include that half an hour of watching the concept and in the remaining 1.5 hours you can solve 20 questions easily. क्वांट का फंडा ये है कि आपको पर दिन 20 क्वेश्चन तो करने ही करने हैं. मिनिमम्स की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. I'm talking about minimums in DILR. This is a rule which has worked wonders for my students. I'm giving you a rule which I usually give in my 1-to-1 paid calls, but एक सामने एक चीज आपके लिए फ्री है, कोई बात नहीं, it's okay. In DILR, always ensure that in one time that you sit, एक बैठक में आपको 3 सेट लगातार करने ही करने हैं, because in the real CAT exam that is what you need to do. In 40 minutes you should have the stamina and the brain acumen and all of those things that you can wind up 2.5-3 sets easily. Extremely important, extremely important. This this needs to be how you practice for DILR that I'm giving. And again I'm saying you take 2 hours for this. I'm saying आप DILR के slot को आप दो 2 hours. Now whether in these 2 hours for half an hour you are watching a video to understand how to solve a set, that's okay, and then in the remaining 1.5 hours you are solving those, if you're solving those 3 sets even, that is okay. Or if you're saying that no, I'll spend the entire 2 hours in solving the sets, then I'm saying solve 4 sets, but solve at least 3 sets. The point which I'm trying to make is that, my dear friends, these are the kind of pieces of advice advice which you need, which are specific yet generic. अब मैंने ये नहीं बोला इस टाइप के सेट करना, नहीं, वो तुम्हारा काम है. You whether you want to solve sets from the course which you have, say suppose if you have enrolled somewhere, then from that, or if you want to solve it from the previous year CAT के वाले जो सवाल होते हैं उसमें से, wherever you want, but that is the basic structure. In VARC what you have to do is, my dear friends, solve 2 RCs and 1 VA set. 1 VA set is around 4 to 5 questions. Again, I am giving yourself 2 hours. तो अब अगर आपके पास 4 hours से ज्यादा हैं, if you have 6 hours, then you are doing these 3 एक साथ. अगर आपके पास 4 घंटे ही हैं सिर्फ या फिर उससे हैं लोअर, then you know कि अच्छा जिस दिन मुझे ये करना है, then मुझे करना है ये, जिस दिन मुझे VRC करना है तो फिर ये. I have basically created that overall strategy for you. Moving on from there, weekends. Now weekends are important, that is why you have a star mark here. Your weekends have to be no partying, no chilling, no hanging out, my dear friends. On Saturdays you are taking a mock test for 2 hours, and on Sunday you are doing a mock analysis for 6 hours. The reason why I don't want you to do it on the same day is because it will be fresh in your mind. I don't want that. In some cases, okay, in some cases I do advise that nahi, solve it the same day, but usually I advise the students to sleep over it and approach the mock with a brand new fresh perspective, because that is then helps you. Then suddenly things start to show, अरे ये मैंने छोड़ा क्यों, ये तो मैं कर सकता था, अरे ये क्यों कर लिया, ये तो मेरे से होता ही नहीं. Once you wake up, once you reset yourself, then the analysis is much more fruitful. Up, see, again, these are very small things which you can only know from experience, so that helps. My dear friends, what you have in front of you is broadly your game plan for August, because that is what I want you to do. I want you to start smart and start fast, and mock taking needs to happen from this day, from this week itself. This is a structure which you should follow for sure. Moving on from there, and the structure which I am sharing with you, my dear friends, IITians swear by this. If you've been following me on my LinkedIn, which you should, you would know this, that even IITians have followed my schedule and have said that yes, this was the schedule which I followed and I studied well. So that helps you. Moving on from there, in September, the focus needs to quickly get the control of your time. Discipline of time is important, because up till right now I had shared with you that okay, take 7 or 5 minutes per question in quant and all of that, and say suppose if you have to solve 3 DILR sets, you can spend aram se 1.5 hour on that. Now I had said that, why? Because at that point of time you were still studying the concepts, tum seekh rahe the, but then now the time comes wherein you have to really do it faster. You have to do it faster, and if you're smart enough that you can solve the questions fast here itself, then that's great. I am not saying कि August में जानबूझ के you have to be very slowed down and all. No. I am accounting that time very carefully, because I know a lot of you would also want to first study from somewhere, then solve. तो वो सब कुछ है. Now suddenly when September comes, my dear friends, your focus comes towards the end of completing your course and doing more of the practice, which means in QA. Now in September you need to wind up numbers, geometry and modern math. What you have to do, go back to the video wherein I had said ऊपर इसी में you have to complete a checklist. वो checklist complete कर लो, तुम्हारा वो chapter खत्म. बेसिक बात ये है. अब क्योंकि क्या होता है, a lot of students they say, but sir numbers खत्म मतलब क्या क्या करना है, कि then I can say कि हाँ अब ये मेरा हो गया है खत्म. That is why I give advice from practical experiences and from the experiences of my students. It always helps. This works, my dear friends. Moving on from there, DILR you have to keep practicing as I had advised, and VARC keep practicing. Again, practice weekdays. It is simple. Maintain the schedule which I had shared here. Maintain this same schedule which I had shared. If you want to take a screenshot, take a screenshot. It's good. But improve your question solving speed. So now if I had said that you will be planning to solve 20 questions in 2 hours, this should go up till 25, 30 questions in 2 hours. That is what I mean. So if suppose you were working out at a gym, as you proceed, your weights will increase, your weights should increase, your walking speed should increase, all of those things. This is the same. So if somebody has worked out enough, they would know कि क्या क्या करना है यहाँ पे. Weekends are again the same thing. Saturday, my dear friends, you're taking a mock. Sunday, you're doing a mock test analysis. My dear friends, if you want a video on how to do mock analysis my way, in the way I help my students, I will give it away for free. I'll make a video. Let me know that you want it. Also, let me know whether this video is making sense to you, और ये लग रहा है कि यार क्या ही है सर, स्ट्रैटेजी मजा ही नहीं आ रहा, कुछ भी बोल रहे हो. अगर वो भी बोलना है बोल दो कि सर बेकार बना रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो, कुछ भी करो. या फिर अगर अच्छा लग रहा है, let me know that yes, this makes sense and I will follow it. Tell me that yes, you will follow this. Then that is more helpful helpful to you. मेरा तो ठीक है, क्या है. Now let me come to October, my dear friends, because things get interesting. Now you have to double down on your strengths and ensure that your weaknesses are not so weak that they can kill you. And probably somebody may say that, yeah, but October is too late. It might be too late. Therefore, do not go just by this. अगर तो मैंने पहले भी कहा है, अगर समय है, then do not operate in months, operate in weeks. Probably you should reach this stage in September itself. But ठीक है, I've made something which helps everyone. This is the basic you have to do. My dear friends, in October, and hello, I want you to see you for this. I want to see you for this. In October, your preparation is entirely mock based. Mock tests for the glory, mock tests for the win. How does that work? Which means that, my dear friends, the one thing which you have to ensure is that now you are taking 2 mocks per week. Apart from that, you are revising the concepts after the analysis. जब आप एक दिन mock लिखा, अगले दिन उसका करा analysis, third day, my dear friend, you are solving. You're spending those 4 hours in only taking care and going back to the basics, theory, whatever you want to do of the areas which you're not able to solve. My dear friends, improve your speed. Keep on improving your speed, which means what? That when you are analyzing, check कि जो सवाल मैंने सही भी कर लिए हैं, क्या मैं उसको तेज कर सकता था या फिर कर सकती थी. That is what my style of analysis is. I'll be making a video on it. If you want it, let me know. Also share with me how you're finding this. Like the video, very important. Moving on from there, the fourth point is very important. Build stamina and mock taking cover. I have made a video on this, that a lot of students, they are doing good in everything. उनका quant अच्छा है, VR से अच्छा है, DR अच्छा है, सब अच्छा है, बट स्टैमिना प्रॉब्लम है. वो स्टैमिना सॉल्व करने का एक सीक्रेट मैंने एक पिछली वीडियो में क्रिएट करा हुआ है. वॉच दैट वीडियो. दैट आफ्टर वॉचिंग दैट वीडियो, अ लॉट ऑफ टॉप टियर स्टूडेंट्स, दे स्पोक टू मी, दे सेड दैट दिस वाज व्हाट वी नीडेड. दिस हैज skyrocketed our percentile suddenly because we have more stamina, physical stamina, and यहाँ का stamina, there's a secret. If you want that secret, let me know. I'll give you the link of that video as a reply to your comment. That's that. Moving on from there, then we come in mid-October and November. From mid-October, while you are now also focusing on NMAT, do not forget NMAT, my dear friends. वो भी अभी अक्टूबर में सब काम उसका भी हो जाएगा start. You have to appear for it sometime in October or that. Now, my dear friends, in October and November, your practice, your study has to happen only through mocks, which means that take a mock every alternate day. Mock analysis, mock analysis, mock analysis. Revise all the formulas, concepts from the scratch. And this is what is broadly going to be the structure of what you need to do in each of the months. My dear friends, I will open up to this screen one last time so that you can get a sense of what the themes are. अगर आपको बहुत डिटेल में भी सपोज जैसे कि सर स्ट्रैटेजी ठीक है, बट आई एम फॉलोइंग नॉट दिस, आई एम फॉलोइंग कुछ और कर रहा हूं मैं फॉलो, ठीक है. ब्रॉडली दिस वुड सर्व एज अ चेकलिस्ट और अ ब्रॉड गाइडलाइन कि ये थीम्स में काम करना है. एंड इफ यू नीड हेल्प इन मोर ग्रैनुलर एस्पेक्ट्स, देन यू हैव सीन द video. My dear friends, my objective was to give you a good understanding of what you have to do. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, join my free group. It is free. I am there, I am available, I reply in voice notes so that you always feel that you're connected with me. And if you want to speak with me anything else, book a one-on-one call. I'm there to help you. Let me know in the comments what should be my next video for you. Thanks a lot and goodbye.